Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Rima from Gurunanda team. Today, I'm going to talk about why wisdom teeth causes so many problems and when to remove wisdom teeth. Wisdom teeth are also called third molars. They are usually the last teeth to come in between 17 to 25 years of age. At that time, your jaw has almost finished growing. So, for some patients, there is not enough space for these teeth to come in normally. Because of lack of space, wisdom teeth, they grow in at the wrong angle. So they get stuck under the gum, that is called impacted tooth, or even they come out partially. So which leads to many problems. Pain and pressure. Impacted teeth, they press against the second molar and even jawbone. And even they cause gum infection, that is called pericornitis. Food and bacteria, they get trapped around the partially erupted flap of gum. Even these teeth, they also cause crowding, that is, they shift other teeth also, even when the jaw space is limited. These partially erupted wisdom teeth, they are very difficult to clean. So, you find that there are some cavities around these teeth. Even these impacted wisdom teeth, they also form fluid-filled sacs that we call cyst, which damage the bone. Even we find jaw stiffness and headache. So, when should you remove wisdom teeth? As a dentist, I recommend my patients if they are causing symptoms like pain, pressure, and even jaw soreness and bad breath, or even infection or cavities. Even when there is swelling or soreness around the tooth, gum infection, and even when they are damaging nearby teeth. Sometimes what happens, you find that even these impacted teeth, they cause pressure around the second molar, and even there would be a cavity also in the second molar. So due to this, we have to remove this third molar first, then we'll do the treatment of second molar. Even then, there is no space for these teeth to erupt normally. So in all these cases, we have to remove it. Wisdom teeth often don't need any removal. If they are not causing any symptoms, there is no pain, no pressure, and even their position is accurate, and they are positioned at a good angle, and even they are erupted properly, and when there is enough space, and even you can easily able to clean that area. Your dentist will confirm all this by doing the clinical examination and by some x-rays. So now you have understood that wisdom teeth often needs removal. Why? Because there is not enough space for these teeth to come in naturally. So when they are erupting at a wrong angle, proper space is not there, and they are erupted partially and or is under the gum, that is called impacted. So in that cases, if there is cavity or something like that, so we need removal of this teeth. But if your teeth is erupted properly, if your wisdom teeth are healthy, fully erupted and easy to maintain, we as a dentist normally recommend in keeping them. So proper examination and x-ray, they are the best way to decide what is right for you. Thank you.